Hi, today I'm going to give you 5 hints you need to try out in order to have a successful stage performance. 1. Own your stage. Do not be too conscious of errors. They are part of it all and you cannot avoid them. Moreover, sometimes the errors can turn out to be that catchy moment of the show. So just do it. Number 2, when you make your performance interactive, by engaging your audience, say in song phrases and gestures, they help you to carry some burdens, and to them being part is a great privilege and a pleasure. So stop feeling lonely on your stage. 3. Prayer. Put God first because He knows everything before they happen. And when you pray, God will remove away many uncertain negativities on your performance day, and He could give you creative ideas on the fly. The result is a successful performance. Number 4, be spontaneous. Don't be too confined to what you practiced. If you allow your talent to guide you, you might make some slight outstanding deviations that can turn out to be the trademark of your show. Remember, a big portion of the audience was not there during your practice moment, and they will never know that you decided to deviate. Number 5, cast away all fear. These 3 things are most likely to cause fear: uncertainties, lack of confidence, and doubt. Now you're going to ask me, how do I overcome fear? I'll give it 2 ways. Number 1, just decide to stop fearing. 2, imagine you are the first person and your audience is the second person, and so tell him or her what you feel on your heart, and boom, you're done. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you. If you're new here, please help me grow this channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and to receive new hints and lessons, hit the bell icon for notifications. Javis MC in the Vocalist Laboratory. Thank you.